Yo, what's up guys? I'm Julian.
I'm Johan.
We're trying snacks that we never tried before. I'm excited. Julian. Johan! And sometimes Sammy. Adventures! Let's go! We're gonna be trying Choco Puffs.
Choco Puffs.
Choco. I can't open it.
Let me do it.
Smells like chocolate.
That's good. Tastes like, I don't know.
He's smiling.
You guys tastes like?
Tastes like chocolate. Like the inside it has chocolate, it's good. But on the outside, it's crunchy.
It tastes good. It's the same thing.
Okay, what do you give it out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah. It's good.
What about you, Jillian?
A 7.
A 7? Okay, so Jillian says 7 out of 10 and Johan says 10 out of 10 for the Choco Puffs. Would you eat it again?
Kinda, I think.
What about you, Johan? Oh,
I want to eat two in the same time.
okay, go ahead.
It's broken. He died it.
I almost died.
Our next snack is...
Did I do it right?
Not really. Okay, here, try Jaffa cakes.
Jaffa cake.
They're orange flavor, I think.
It's chocolate. If I don't like it, where do I spit it out?
You don't. You gotta eat it. One for you.
Well, that looks good.
And show it to the camera before you get started.
I'm gonna put it straight in. We need to eat it.
What?
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh,
What's the flavor?
Nasty.
Oh, goodbye, Johan. Yeah, Johan.
that's gross.
Johan, come back here. Johan.
That's bad.
All right.
Nasty.
What do we rate it out of 10?
0.
0.
Really?
I
That
mean,
bad?
maybe I'll put it a 3. 3. Up next is Good Day. Can I open it?
I got it. I think I opened it upside down.
One each.
Oh, that's,
Show the camera.
It looks like Wi-Fi.
it looks like Wi-Fi. It looks like Spotify.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
That's good.
What does it taste like? Okay, give it a rating out of 10.
8 out of 10.
There's a cookie that tastes the exact same thing as that. I forgot what it's called.
What is it out of 10? Wanna try?
9. We are eating Bourbon.
Bourbon.
Bourbon. Is it the wrong way?
No, it's upside down now.
Here.
It says hide and seek. So we hide it? Sure. Okay.
Hide it!
It has salt.
Oh, that looks good. That's probably sugar.
That's sugar. What does it taste like?
That's good. No.
What's it taste like?
It's like crackers with chocolate.
Crackers with chocolate.
I
4.
give it a 10 out of 10.
4.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
4. 4. What's it called? Masala munch.
Masala munch. It smells like, it looks like spicy chips.
It looks like a
I don't want to try. Just take a little bite.
It's spicy.
It's a 10 out of, 1 out of 10.
0.
1.
It's spicy.
So we have this.
What is it?
Want
It's
yogurt drink.
Yogurt.
Want yogurt drink. It's tiny.
I know, right? I'm stabbing this. Can you see that? It looks like pee. Well, that's good.
It's good, but it looks like pee.
Yeah,
It's like a cold.
I know, right?
What's your rating?
Wait, let me see the calories. Ugh, I'm dying. Okay, what's your rating? 10 out of 10.
A million. So we're gonna eat this. How do you read that?
Hey, whoever is watching, can you help us?
What does it say? It's wafer. Hello.
How do you get that one?
I think
There's
it's
different
assorted.
kinds.
Yeah, it's assorted.
That's good. Can I tell
does it taste
everyone in the camera that I'm getting exhausted?
What does yours taste like, Jillian?
Chocolate.
What
All
are you doing then?
chocolate.
Vanilla.
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 Because there's vanilla in here.
I want
See?
another one.
There's vanilla. Guys, I can't end this video, but I'm dying.
Cool. Gonna
Okay.
eat this one. It's hard.
The chocolate's good. Just sweet.
It's just wafers.
This is just like ASMR now. Hi guys. Chocolate.
People say don't play with your food, but I'm playing with my food.
I'm gonna take one bite of every single one. And then I can save the rest for tomorrow.
Ow, ow, ow.
So, I ate every single one. Those ones are good. This one, it's like salty. So, it's like a 7 out of 10.
I give it a 1.
Why?
Wafers are nasty.
Okay, on to the next one.
Okay, this is
Yeah.
the last one.
This is the last one.
See what it is.
This is the
Can you read?
Talento. It has this like that. Can you see it? It has that, whatever that is. And I think it's supposed to be in the chocolate. I'm going to open it. So, fair warning. I struggle at opening things. Okay, guys. This is what it looks like.
I'm sorry if I ate it already.
I opened it incorrect. I mean, I got it incorrect.
That's good.
What's it taste like?
Tastes like chocolate with peanuts. That's good.
I don't taste the peanuts.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. What about you?
4.
I'm just kidding.
Well, that's the end of
8. 8.
well, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.
Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified. I forgot.
Every time
we post a new video. Bye.
Bye.